So guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what services you should provide for your social media marketing agency in 2018. Okay guys, so I thought I'd make this video because I know it's confusing kind of picking your services, if you should provide packages, all this sort of shit. So that's what we're going to cover in today's video. Okay, so first of all, when it comes to social media marketing agencies and your services, you're either one of two things. You're either a convenience offer or you're an opportunity offer. A convenience offer is someone who provides social media management and content creation and stuff like that, not the paid traffic side. I say this because think about it. Anybody can, any business can go and hire somebody to post on their behalf. Anybody, they can go to literally to upwork.com or peopleperhour.com or any sort of freelance website and pay a freelancer to do that job for them and do their photography for them. So that's what you call convenience offer, whereas an opportunity offer is you offer them something that they don't have or cannot get for cheap or easily. They can't pay a freelancer to do. So Facebook ads, that's an actual expertise, that's knowledge they don't have that you can leverage, and it gives you some sort of value. So I'm not trying to put off anyone who wants to do content creation or content management or social media management and growth and stuff like that, because that can still bring you a lot of money. Like you could charge thousands for content creation alone. Like think about how much these big top brands like Coca-Cola are spending on content creation each and every year. It must be ridiculous numbers, and content is just so valuable in itself anyway. There's two different sides to one coin here, guys. Convenience offers are definitely a little bit harder to sell, so you actually have to disguise them as an opportunity offer. You can't sell it that way, guys. You need to sell it to the business owner. So instead of just saying, oh yeah, we'll take your social media off your hands, we'll post for you, we'll do your pictures for you. You can't sell it that way, guys. You need to sell it to the business owner as as an opportunity offer. So you need to show them that, if they don't start taking their content seriously, or if they don't get someone like you to manage their social media, they're going to be missing out. The brand's not going to grow as much. They're not going to reach as many people. They're not going to be seen. Their brand awareness is not going to be out there. They're not going to collect as many leads. They're not going to grow their audience enough. If you're going to do convenience offer, you need to structure it in a way that it looks like it's an opportunity offer, when really it's just convenience. Because think about it, any freelancer can create a post, write captions, post on someone else's behalf. Whereas not many people have actual expertise in Facebook ads. But anyway, that's a little rant over, just making sure you guys keep that in mind. So guys, this is exactly how I managed to pick my services, and I recommend that you guys follow this way as well. So the first thing you want to ask yourself is, what are you actually good at? Because not a lot of people think this. They just think, oh yeah, I've got to definitely do Facebook ads, or I've got to do content creation, just because they've heard someone else say it. When realistically, it's like, if you're not good at content creation, don't do it. Or if you're not, hire someone else to do it, like outsource. Not that I recommend outsourcing straight from the start when you don't have capital to play with, but you get the idea, guys. What are you actually good at? Are you good at Facebook ads? Are you good at paid traffic like Google AdWords? Are you good at SEO? Are you good at email marketing? Are you good at creating funnels? So I recommend you guys just sit down for 5-10 minutes or however long it takes you, and just write down and list out what you're actually currently good at. So then you're going to start building services around what you're actually good at. So if you're good at Facebook ads, obviously you provide Facebook ads. If you're good at email marketing, you obviously going to include email marketing. If you're good at content creation, you get the idea, guys. So it's based it on what you're actually good at, not what you've been told. Because if you can't deliver results, then you're gonna be fucked, guys. If you offer Facebook ads and you can't do Facebook ads, you're gonna be fucked, guys. So definitely, if you do offer Facebook ads, please learn Facebook ads, but make sure you're picking your services on actually what you're good at, not just what you've been told to do. Another factor that determines what services you provide, guys, is what does the actual niche need. So for example, like a lawyer firm, let's take a lawyer firm for example. They don't need social media management, because who wants to see lawyer firms on social media realistically? You can't really build a brand around that like you would with a gym or with a restaurant or with some sort of clothing line or something like that. You can't build a brand around that. No one wants to see lawyer firms and insurance firms, stuff like that. So they don't need content management, content creation, social media management. They won't need anything like that. That's why I recommend you guys don't do packages, because they wouldn't need that in your package. Why would you ever offer social media management to a lawyer firm or an insurance company? Whereas what you would offer is something like pay-per-click ads, so like Google AdWords, that sort of stuff. So again, you need to ask yourself, what does the niche actually want and what does it actually need? Another point I just want to make, guys, is that it's going to vary between clients anyway. So these packages are kind of redundant. Like there's just no point in even building a package, because each business that comes in and wants your services will need a different service. So for example, if you're doing work for a restaurant that already has a solid social media, you don't need to offer them social media management, because they've already got it down. You could just come in and just tell them, maybe you need, some funnels creating, pair that with some paid traffic, and some email marketing. That's all you guys need. Because obviously your social media is very, very solid. You've got X amount of thousands of followers on Instagram, so they don't need anything like content creation or content management. So again, guys, just to make my point very clear, it really depends on the business that you're working with. You have to really go in and audit them, look into their business, dissect their business, and build services around what they need. If they've got weak social media, then they're going to need some content creation and content management. Or if they've got bad content but good social media, maybe they just need some content added in to shape the brand a little bit. So guys, it's very unique to each and every business. You actually have to sit down with your client and actually ask them, what is it that you actually want? Do you want content? Do you want us to bring you in more leads through paid traffic? Would you even be able to facilitate all the leads we can bring with paid traffic? Just stuff like that, guys. You need to really be asking in your meetings and finding out. So yeah, guys, that's how I actually managed to pick out my services from the hundreds of services I've provided. Another thing I want you guys to keep in your head is that less is more. Why offer 10 services and get paid £1,000 when you can offer one service and get paid £10,000 for it? Because you're a specialist in that service. So that's what happened with me, guys. I was offering all these different services. I was offering web design, I was offering friggin' SEO, I was offering PPC ads, I was just offering everything and anything. Now I'm literally sticking to just content management, content creation, because I've got a great photographer to work with and it makes sense to do that. Obviously depending on what client I'm working with, whether they need that or not. Again, it varies between different situations and different clients. I focus my time on paid advertising, so PPC ads, because I'm good at that, and Facebook ads, Instagram ads, because I'm actually good at that stuff, because I was a dropshipper before. I've got experience with that firsthand. And then sort of like email marketing and funnel creation in the back end there. So I pair that with paid traffic and social media management and growth and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, that's literally my services and what I recommend you guys do when picking your services, because I know it can kind of be confusing and a little bit tedious. But yeah, guys, that's my recommendations for you. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it and gained a little bit of insight on what sort of services you should provide, and I hope you kind of gained some sort of idea of what you could provide. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you in tomorrow's video, where I'll actually be breaking down how to price your services. So definitely stay tuned for that one if you're a little bit confused. But anyway, this is all for today's video. Please drop me a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.